How to make money online. Pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do various freelance jobs such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. Fluent in a second language? Check translation sites such as Django or Blend Express, or drum up business through your own site. No matter what freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the work you provide so you know what to charge. A recent report from freelancer.com found that computer security jobs had the fastest growth in listings on its site in the second quarter of 2024, up 27.1%. Jobs involving writing skills are also in high demand. Although generative artificial intelligence, AI, is being used more for content creation, it can't entirely do the work of human writers. Companies are looking for writers who know how to edit AI content and have at least a basic understanding of search engine optimization. Learning or beefing up SEO skills could be a lucrative side hustle. Some freelancers are charging $100 an hour or more for their freelance writing services. Total time, it can take a while to get your first gig. Setup, 24 to 48 hours. How easy to start? Easy, if you have the expertise. Age threshold, typically 16 to 18 plus. How fast you'll get paid varies by site. Need to know, it takes Upwork up to 48 hours to approve your profile. Keep in mind it can also take time to land your first freelance gig. Payment varies by site. On Upwork, the timeline for receiving earnings depends on the type of payment. Hourly contracts have a weekly billing cycle, and you can withdraw funds 10 days later. Fixed price contracts have a 5-day waiting period after reaching a milestone. Project catalog contracts allow payment withdrawal after 5 days. Bonus payments also become available after 5 days. In each case, a client has to review your work. On Fiverr, you're paid when the work order is complete, but you can't withdraw funds for 14 days. The waiting time is shorter for top-rated sellers. Requirements. Upwork and Fiverr require users to be at least 18 to sell work. Fiverr allows users age 13 and older to use a parent or guardian's account with permission. And freelancer.com requires users to be at least 16. Test websites and apps. Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well, or not so well, certain websites and apps work. You'll have to complete a short test to be accepted by user testing, then you'll be paid depending on the test type. Total time. Approval can take a few days. Setup, less than an hour. How easy to start? Easy if you have the tech gear and complete a sample test. Age threshold, 18 plus. How fast you'll get paid? Usually after 14 days. Need to know, you need to complete a sample test as part of the user testing application process. You will start receiving testing opportunities after your application is approved. The timeline for approval can vary. Payment amounts vary based on the length of the tests. You get paid 14 days after completing a website or app test via PayPal. Requirements: you need to be at least 18. You need a device that meets user testing's requirements, internet connection, and microphone. The practice test and most user testing requires English, German, or French. Some test opportunities may be in additional languages. Learn to use AI tools. The use of generative artificial intelligence is on the rise. Research from PwC estimates that the North American economy will see a $3.7 trillion impact by 2030, thanks to the AI market. So there's no better time to learn how to make money by using AI tools. Some AI-related side hustles include integrating AI tools as a freelancer to help you create digital products or to edit AI content for a client, improving your advertising, marketing efforts, and management of your existing small business, teaching others to use AI tools. Total time depends on demand. Setup: around 24 to 48 hours if using a site like Upwork or freelancer.com. How easy to start? If you're already familiar with AI tools, it will be easier to get started. Age threshold: 16 plus for freelancer.com and 18 for Upwork. How fast you'll get paid varies by client and the number of products you sell in your chosen platform. Need to know: give yourself time to get familiar with using AI tools. You'll need to meet the requirements of the freelance gig site you choose. Payment will depend on your client and the site's terms and conditions. Requirements: you'll need a computer, internet connection, and microphone. Take surveys for money. You can make money from home by taking online surveys, but don't expect to earn a lot. Survey sites don't typically offer a big payoff, and many sites are more useful for earning gift cards than cash. Some of the more popular survey sites include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Read our analysis of survey sites to find out which one is best suited for you. Total time: it will take a while. Setup: just minutes. How easy to start? Vary. Just register and begin. Age threshold: 13 to 18 plus, depending on the site. How fast you'll get paid varies by site. Need to know: survey sites could be an option for how to make money online for beginners because you can register with a site and start taking surveys in a matter of minutes. The time it takes to get paid depends on the survey site and how much time you dedicate to taking surveys. Some sites let you cash out only after you hit a minimum earnings threshold. Other survey sites issue points, which can be redeemed for cash via PayPal or gift cards. Requirements: most survey sites have a minimum age requirement, which ranges from 13 to 18 depending on the site, making these sites one idea for teens to make money online. Individual surveys may have specific requirements. Don't be surprised if you are disqualified from a survey without much explanation. Make money from your blog with affiliate links. If you're a blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates, that's you, get paid when someone clicks through from the website to the partner site and buys something there. Some bloggers make a lot of money this way, particularly those who do affiliate marketing full-time. You can use social media or a platform like Pinterest to drive traffic to your blog. Read more about affiliate marketing and other ways to make money blogging. Total time: it can take quite a while to build an audience. Setup: with blog templates, building a site is easy. How easy to start? While getting started can be easy, creating regular content may be another matter. Age threshold varies. How fast you'll get paid? A month or two on average. Need to know: first, you need a blog, social media account, or other online presence that draws a healthy number of visitors each month. Then, you need to apply for and be approved by an affiliate marketing network like CJ, Share a Sale, Flex Offers, Rakuten Advertising, or Amazon Associates. Payment schedules and thresholds vary by affiliate network, but expect to wait at least a month or two for your first paycheck. Amazon Associates pays out earnings 60 days after the end of the calendar month in which they were earned. Share a Sale disperses earnings monthly. Requirements: a blog, social media account, or other online presence that attracts a steady stream of visitors. Sell your wares on Etsy. Have a penchant for woodworking, jewelry making, embroidery, or pottery. Sell your crafts on Etsy, the go-to site for artisans selling home goods, art, and knickknacks. According to Etsy, the company has more than 96 million active buyers and grossed over $13 billion in merchandise sales in 2023. Learn more about how to make money on Etsy. Total time: it might take quite a while for customers to find you. Setup can be quite involved. How easy to start? Leaning toward hard on the difficulty meter. Age threshold: 13 plus. How fast you'll get paid? Daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on your preference. Need to know: opening an Etsy shop is the easy part. It can be done in a few hours. The prep work before you open up shop is more time-consuming. You need merchandise to sell, photos and descriptions to post, a name for your shop, and a business plan to help you succeed. Once that's done, you'll still need to find customers. Depending on what you're selling, that could take weeks, which is why you should expect the overall time for this gig to be slow. Once you sell an item, payment is deposited into your Etsy payments account first, then to your bank account depending on your desired deposit schedule. Requirements. If you're over 13 years old but under 18, you can sell on Etsy but would be considered a minor and must follow extra policies. You need to have all necessary intellectual property rights to the merchandise sold in your shop. Self-publish an ebook. Writing a good book is tough, but the internet makes it easy to bring it to market. If you're a writer who can churn out pages, you can use Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing to sell your books as on the Kindle store. It's free to publish a book, and you can earn up to 70% of each sale in royalties. Write your book. Enter a clear description and the details to be displayed and upload your manuscript. Set the price and see if it sells. Total time. How fast can you type? We don't have to tell you writing a book can be a slog. Setup. Quick and easy on KDP once the book is ready. How easy to start? Just start writing. Age threshold 18 plus, but parents and guardians can use their accounts to sell minors' books. How fast you'll get paid? Monthly. You'll need to meet a $100 threshold for wire or check payments. Need to know. Just because it's simple to self-publish doesn't mean your book will sell. Competition is high with millions of ebook titles on the Kindle store. Choose one of two royalty options, 70% or 35%. You'll have to price your book between $2.99 and $9.99 if you select the 70% option. You have more pricing flexibility when you pick 35%. Requirements. You need to create a Kindle Direct Publishing account to get started. Proper formatting is important. Amazon says most Microsoft Word documents convert to ebooks easily, but other formats are also supported.